So good morning, everyone. I'm audible. Okay. So in last class, what we discussed? Anyone, please? Raj.
Sir, completing the attendance project in previous class.
We have completed the find encodings function. All these things, just let me know.
Yes, sir.
Mark attendance also completed, I think.
Yes, sir.
So now from this place we have to start. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Sir, this is also completed, sir.
All the whole project is completed? I don't think so.
Yes, sir.
All this is completed. Okay, so how many of you just tried? Okay, yes, we have completed. So how many of you have completed the project and has run the program in the system? Yes, anyone? Yes, Raj. Raj, you are having laptop right now? Yes, Raj.
No, sir. I
And
have joined with my phone.
okay. So I think we have completed this project. Yes or no? So we
Yes, sir.
start another one.
Yes, sir.
So if anyone is having any doubt, just say you can ask. Otherwise, we will move to the next, next one. That is Google Assistant or the Alexa based project. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just remember some important points. Actually, it is not possible to run the all libraries at all the platform and all the interpreter. Means according to the library, according to the project, you have to change the Python interpreter. Clear? So right now, whatever we were doing in this project is on Python 3.8 or above the 3.9, 3.10 like this. Yes. So now, if we will work on the Alexa-based project, Alexa-based project means what? Google Assistant-based project or voice recognition-based project. So in that case, in that case, we have to use 3.6 version of Python. What we have to use? 3.6 version of Python. So just do one thing. Let me change the file first. Just 1 minute. Okay, I have just changed the project. Okay, and I will show you how you have to install all these things, which library you have to install. All these things I will explain. Clear? Let me stop all these things. Yes, everyone, please listen carefully so that you can understand how everything is done or how the setup is done in this project. Clear? So, okay, now I have opened different project. One more thing that first of all, you have to install Python 3.6 from where? Just let's see. One more thing I would like to tell you, in your system you can use any number of Python interpreter. So right now I think you all have 3.8 or 3.9 or 3.10. But right now we are going to work on the project that is called Google Assistant. So we have to install 3.6 version. Clear? Because some of the library do not work on 3.8 or 3.9 or 3.10. So that's why we will install 3.6 interpreter. So for this, what we have to do? We have to just write Python. You have to just write Python. Just 1 minute. You have to just write Python 3.6. Just listen carefully and see how we are going to install 3.6 download. What we have to type? Python 3.6 download. and then you will get the first link, you will get the first link, as you can see over here. So just let me one thing, let me uh, allow you to, so that you can unmute as per your requirement. But please don't unmute yourself without any reason. Okay, just now you all can unmute as per requirement. Okay, so it is, yes, it is possible to reach this place. Okay, so now you will get the first link, Python release Python 3.60. Just click on this. Just click on this. Yes, everyone, if you are having laptop, just you can also try at the same time. Okay, so as you can see, you will get this link, and when you will open the first link, you will get this kind of interface. Clear, everyone? So as you can see, Python 3.6 is there, and the release date is what? December 23 to 2016. But we have to install the 3.6 interpreter. So as you can see, there are so many versions are there. Yes or no? But you have to install only this. Just listen to me carefully. You have to install this only that I have just selected. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
You all are able to understand? So there are so many versions, but you have to install which one? Windows 86/64 executable installer. And you have to just click on this. You will get, it will get just started, or downloading get started. Okay, clear, everyone? So you can install from this place. Raj, Bittu, Prasant.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So just you have to click in this link, and the downloading will start. Okay, so now you can just start installing all these things. Clear? So now come to this point. Okay, now how we will create the project? Just see one more thing, that whenever you are going to work on a new project, and maybe interpreter can be used different, yes or no? So tell me which interpreter we will use right now. Which Python interpreter we will use right now?
Python 3.8.
3.6. So if
3.6.
you have installed 3.6 in your system, then you have to go to this place. Just go to the Python project, or simply just go to the Python project and just right click. No, just you have to right click on this file. You have to click on this file. Clear? You have to just click on this file, and you will get the option that is new project. Clear? You will get new project option. Just click on that, and one interface will be displayed on your screen. As you can see, it is visible. And just see, that which Python is there. Just see here. Actually, I have installed 3.8 also, 3.6 also. So just do one thing first. Just give the name of your project. Suppose I am giving the name of the project is what? Alexa. Clear? You can give another name. I can give also another name. Anyone can give another. But just remember this. First, click on this. You may have this or this selected. Clear? You may have this and this selected. But you have to click on this only. First one. And you will get, right here, two options. If you are having two interpreter, you will get two options. But select which one? Which one we have to select?
3.6.
3.6. So from this list, just select 3.6. If you are not getting any of this option, 3.6, just restart the system and then try. You will get this option. Clear? So right now we are having 3.6. Just select 3.6 and just what? Now just write something. Actually, project name should be greater this. So let me write here. Google. Actually, project name should be greater than 5 or 6 digits. So I have given the name is Google Assistant. Clear? Now, what we are going to do, just we are going to just change this Python interpreter and just create. Click on this create option. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
If you all have created this new project, then you have to install some of the libraries, important libraries. Clear? Some important library. Just wait, it is, creating virtual environment, every project will have virtual environment on which we are going to work. So that's why this project is also creating a virtual environment. If you want to more detail, just go to the Google or YouTube. You can just search for the virtual environment in PyCharm. You will get all the details. Clear? Okay, as you can see, it is visible, everyone.
Yes, sir.
So just we have to check that it is working or not. Okay, so just let me do one thing. I think as you can see, font size is bigger. So let me just decrease the font size. So if you want to check that your interpreter is attached with this project successfully, just click on this. Just click on this. As you can see, okay, just let me first decrease the font size. Go to editor, font. Twenty is there. Just let me decrease. So let me use 15. Apply. Okay. Now visible. So if you want to check that your interpreter is working in this project or not, just do one thing. Just click on this run command. Yes, you are getting output or not? Just tell me.
Yes, sir.
You are getting output. It means that
Yes, sir.
your interpreter has been successfully installed. Clear? And you also can see at the right bottom right corner. Is there something Python 3.6? It is visible.
Yes, sir.
And you are going to see that updating skeleton. There are some libraries are also installing by default. So this is how we can install 3.6 and we can create a new project. But since we are going to work on which project? Just anyone please tell me. Google Assistant-based project. So
Google Assistant.
we have to use some different libraries. We have to install some libraries. Okay. So let's see. The first library that we will store is called. Just 1 minute. Okay. So these are some libraries. So let me copy all these things. Copy and then let me use. Okay, so let me first create one file, Python file. What you want to give the name? Google Assistant.
Google
Or
Assistant.
Alexa, just give the name Alexa. Clear? Or Google Assistant, just give the name Google. Just name this file. Okay, we have created a Python file. Just copy all these libraries. Just see there's option. Yes, you can see in red color.
Yes, sir.
What you are, and you can also see there is red mark in each and every in modules. There are red marks. It means that we have not installed these libraries till now. So now one by one we have to install all these things. We have to install all these things. How you will install, so just go to this file, or simply just go to this, just click right, and or simply you can you know go to file, just click on settings. Clear? And you will get option here, your project
Project.
is
Yes,
visible,
sir.
Google instance. Then go to the interpreter, visible it is, and you can see whatever libraries you have already installed, you will get here. As you can see, how many libraries are there? 1, 2.
2, 3.
Now we want to store which one? The first one is what? Just tell me.
Speech recognition.
First one is speech recognition. Just write here. Just click at plus sign. Just write here speech. Just speech recognition. Recognition. Just like me. You have to write speech recognition. So speech recognition, same, without any space. You are getting this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now just click on this, and you have to also see the version, version. Which version you have to install. So for this, I am going to show you the version list also. Okay, just let me show another project where I have used this. Let me just stop all these things. Now it is visible. Just go to this, go to settings, and I have installed all these things. Just you can note it down. Versions, which versions you have to install. Just see. Cite it on your paper 3.8.8. Have you written? Speech recognition version you have to use 3.8.1. Have you written?
Yes.
Then write next one, that is called, which one is this? PTT, PYTTSX3. Where is PYTT? Yeah, this one. Just write 2.9.2.90. PYTTSX3. PYTTX3. PYTTSX3. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Next, PyWhatKit. PyWhatKit is there. You have to install 3.2 version. You have to install 3.2 version. Just write. Clear? Then
Yes, sir.
install, which one is this? Date time is not need to be installed. Wikipedia is there. Wikipedia is there. Just write something, 1.4.0 for Wikipedia. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then which one is left? PyJokes. You can get it. PyJokes is there. Yes, it is visible. Just write 0.6.0. It is visible, everyone?
Yes,
0.6.
sir.
Also, you have to install NumPy. So have you written all these things?
Yes, sir.
One more library you have to install, that is called PyAudio. Which one? PyAudio. PyAudio.
Done, sir.
So 0.2.11. Clear? Now let's start installing all these things. Clear? PyAudio is also there. Just write here. Import PyAudio. Clear? So now see, all these libraries we will install. So let's start. Okay. So first one is what? Just let me write import PyAudio. Clear? So now go to this. go to this file, go to settings, and go to this place. Okay. And which one first you have to install? First, you have to install speech recognition. That's right. Speech recognition. Yes, it is a speech recognition. Just select it and just which one version was there? 3.8.
3.8.1.
3.8.
8.1.
Okay. Just 3.8. Just write it. Clear? 3.8. It is installing. Don't worry. You can try for the next. Which one is next?
PYTT-SX3.
Let's wait for this. Let's wait for this. Let's wait for this. Yes, it is installed. Everyone, as you can see.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now we have to install which one? PYTT-SX3. So just if you want to know that which kind of libraries there, I will show you. Just try PYTT-SX3. This visible, everyone? And which version?
2.90.
2.90. It is by default 90, and then just install it. Which one is next? Let's wait for this. It is taking
गुड
time.
मॉर्निंग
Yes.
सर, आप तो बीसीए में भेजे हैं लिंक,
Sorry.
बीसीए वाले ग्रुप में भेजे हैं सर.
What?
यस सर.
BCA group. Which group? No. I am not sent in BCA group. Yeah. This is BSc-IT. Okay. Now see, it is installed, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, you can see which one is third one is what?
PYT-KIT.
Pivot. Pivot.
Yes, sir.
So you just write pivot. Pivot. Is it visible, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Pivot. Which version is there? Pivot.
3.2.
So just just select it. Just go to this specify version and just click. Which version?
3.2.
Just go to 3.2 version.
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
And just
Yes,
start
sir.
installing it. Is it is visible? Just see. One more thing, you all have to show, the previous project. You have to present the previous project in next class. Clear, everyone? Yes, you have to.
Okay, sir.
So you have to present the previous project. Yes, it is installed, everyone. As you can see, package
Yes, sir.
5 watt, it is installed successfully. Now just see which one is next.
Wikipedia.
Wikipedia. So just write Wikipedia, just like me. Just write spelling carefully, Wikipedia. And which version is there?
1.4.0.
So it is by default the same version. Just click on install. It is also installed. Which one is next?
PyJokes.
As you can see, everyone. Now you can see, is there any red color on these libraries?
No, sir.
Because these are installed. Now two are also there, PyJokes and PyAudio. Because we have not installed right now, that's why it is the error. So just write which one?
PyJokes.
Just visible, everyone. And then which
Yes,
version
sir.
is there?
0.6.0.
You just install it. It is installed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think some message is there. Sir, we have not hold the code of attendance project earlier. You have sent, but it is not. Raj, please tell me, I have shared the whole code or not, please?
Yes, sir. You shared, sir.
Yes. So who is this? Roll number 15, I think. Yes, please go to the group, WhatsApp group, and you will get the whole code, Okay, so it is also installed. Which one is there?
NumPy.
NumPy, N-U-M-P-Y. So just NumPy is there. Just write NumPy also. If you want, you can install. Don't worry. And which one is there? PyAudio is.
Also, version is 1.19.5.
PyAudio is installed? No. PyAudio is also installed. No. So you have to write PyAudio. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Which version is there?
0.2.11.
Okay. It is also. One more thing, one more thing you have to use. I will show you what is the purpose of using all this, libraries. But one more thing that I will tell you, just let's wait. It is also installed. Okay. So just minimize all these things. Here, just minimize all these things. Just minimize all these things. Suppose if we need to install, Google library, means so that if I will say Google search, suppose you have to Google search. Clear, everyone? Suppose you have to search, on Google something. So that's why also there is library. So just write here Google search library. What you will write?
Google search library.
Search Python library. Google search Python package, or simply you can say. Yes, it is visible, everyone.
Yes,
So,
sir.
for any purpose, for the purpose you want to, install the library, just search it on Google. Okay, you will get each and every library. So right now you can see this is what Google search library. Visible it is.
Yes, sir.
So for this, what you can search? Just you go to that project. What is the name of this project or the library? Sorry, Google search. Which version is there? 1.1.0. Yes or no? So just
Yes,
go
sir.
to your project. Sorry, you go to this project and just go to settings, and then just write here Google search. Google search. Yes, you will get Google search. I think there is no information. Just write here specify version. No information is there. So just again write. Okay, Google search Python is there.
Yes,
So
sir.
you have to install Google search Python. Clear? Google search Python, not Google search only. As you can see the name. Clear? Google search Python. and just install it. Why we are installing this library? Anyone please tell me? So if you want to search on Google by using your program, then that's why we are going to use this one. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, it is installed. So we have installed many libraries. Now see what is the purpose of installing all these libraries. Just see. Okay, just see all these things. So as you know, Google search is a Python library for searching Google. Clear? Next, which library you want? Just tell me. PYGTSX3. Yes or no? If I will search, yes, you can get it. SX3. PYGTXS3. Or simply you can just search here. PYGTSX3 package. Just click on this. So you know what is the purpose of this? So as you can see, this was the same now. Yes or no? This was the same.
Yes, sir.
That we have already installed. So what is the purpose of this? Just see. What is the purpose of this library? PYTTXS3 is a text to speech conversion. Means text to speech conversion. Means if you are writing something and you want to convert in a speech, clear? So you know in Google, you know, instance just they ask you ki speak something. Yes or no? You hear or not? You just hear na? Speak something.
Yes, sir.
How may I
Yes,
help
sir.
you? This kind of your, you know, in Google instance you just hear. So that's why the text that is mentioned there, they just try to speak. Yes or no? So this is the library that will convert the text into speech. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, which was next? Speech recognition. You know, this will enable you to, you know, that this will enable your microphone so that it can recognize your speech. Clear? Just like video. Which kind of, you know, CB2? Yes or no? CBT is there. And if you want to enable the video or the camera, what do you write? Video capture. Yes or no? Similarly,
Yes,
if
sir.
you want to use microphone, if you want to use your microphone in your, you know, program, in your project, then you have to install which one? Speech recognition. Which?
Speech recognition.
Recognition package in Python. So library with support to several engine API. Just you can take it. You can just click on it. Yes, see, as you can see. So this will enable your microphone to recognize the speech. Clear? So whatever you will say to the Google Assistant, that will recognize your words. Yes or no? That will recognize your sentence. That's why you are using speech recognition library. Then what was next? Yes, anyone? By what? Yes or no? By what? By what Git libraries? Yes, anyone please tell me what is the purpose of this? Yes, PyWhat is a Python library with various helpful features. It's yes, you can see. So it is easy to use and does not require you to do any additional setup. Currently, it obviously. So this is, you know, just you can see. So when you are asking something, that's why what keyword you use. So it will help you. Just see right now. Okay, PyWhat is a Python library with various helpful features. It is an easy to use library which does not require to do any additional features. Clear? So okay. So basically WhatsApp, what do you know WhatsApp? So if you want to use open WhatsApp, if you want to, message some data on WhatsApp, then you will use PyWhat-Kit. Clear? Now next, what is there? Yes.
PyJokes.
PyJokes. So yes, this is the library that will help you to find the jokes. If you will say Alexa jokes, then the system will just tell you some jokes. Clear? That's why we are using PyJokes. What was next?
PyAudio.
PyAudio. Yes, it is important. PyAudio. Yes. Means suppose if you are using your microphone, so if you want to recognize your voice, if you want to recognize your audio, that's why we use PyAudio. Clear?
Yes,
so
sir.
It can be done with the help of speech recognition also, but you can also store PyAudio. So if you want to access documentation, you can also access. You can check here PyAudio is set of Python bindings for PyAudio cross-platform. So that will just recognize your audio voice. Clear? Okay. So these are some libraries that we can install. Clear, everyone? Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so just you all have to install all these libraries. It is possible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just do it in next class.
Yes, sir, yes.
Yes. Anyone? So as you can see, is there any error now?
No, sir.
Why? Because we have installed all these libraries, and now you can see this is in different color. Why it is in different color? Why it is not in blue color? Because till now we have not used these libraries. Clear? And what is
Yes,
the
sir.
date time? Anyone please tell me.
सर अगर इसमें कोई और फंक्शन ऐड करना रहे तो
Which function? Just tell me which kind of function you want to add. Yes, for every function, for every kind of function you want to add, yes, you have to install library. Clear?
Yeah.
Clear, everyone? So whatever you want to do, there is library available, and you have to just install it. And how to use all these things, I will explain in next class. Otherwise, you can just see here, and by using Google search, you can also see here. And you will open. Suppose I am writing here, speech recognition, or suppose speech recognition is there package I am writing here, and just go to Google search, click on this link, and then you will get it like this. You will get all the course, how you will use this, all this things. Visible, everyone?
Yes, sir.
All these things you will get. This is how you can import this, all these things. So basically, this speech recognition help you to use microphone. Clear? Okay. So let's stop right here, and we will discuss in next class. Let me stop. So please, everyone, just install all these libraries as soon as possible, so that we can discuss it